First things first, you'll require 6 to 8 large eggs. Position them in a single layer in a saucepan and douse them with cold water. Proceed to boil the eggs for a span of 10 to 12 minutes. After boiling, shift the eggs into a bowl filled with ice water to enable them to cool down completely. Once they have entirely cooled, peel off the eggshells and place them aside. For the brine, gather 2 cups of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and your preferred array of spices. Let's dive into its preparation. Take a saucepan and merge the white vinegar, sugar, salt, and your choice of spices in it. Warm this concoction to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring once in a while. After the sugar and salt dissolve completely, off the heat and let the brine cool down slightly. Next, place the peeled hard-boiled eggs in a sterilized glass jar. To add a bit of heat to your dish, add 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes or chili peppers to the jar. Follow this by pouring the warm brine over the eggs, ensuring they are fully covered. If needed, use clean spoon to push the eggs further into the brine. After sealing the jar tightly with the lid, allow it to cool to room temperature. Once it's cooled down, transfer the jar to the refrigerator. Now comes the hardest part: waiting. Allow the pickled eggs to marinate in the refrigerator for a minimum of 24 hours before serving. This period is crucial for the flavors to fully infuse and permeate the eggs. I must stress, let the pickled eggs sit in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours before serving to allow the flavors to evolve. The longer they sit, the more flavorful they will become. Keep your pickled eggs chilled in the refrigerator, where they will remain fresh for a duration of 1 to 2 weeks. These pickled eggs serve as a great snack and can be incorporated salads and sandwiches. Homemade pickled eggs are indeed a delightful, tangy delight. I urge you to experiment and mold this recipe as per your taste and preference. Please like and subscribe to Magnolia Moon for more great recipes.